Hey guys, before we get into this installation video, let's talk about what's in the box. Your package should have included one custom LED license plate, 3 fuse tap adapters, 3 zip ties, 2 mounting screws, and 2 nylon rivets. Step 1. Ensure the vehicle is fully powered off and the engine is cool to the touch for safety purposes. Next, locate your vehicle manual and make your way to the engine compartment fuse box diagram. Once located, look over available circuits and find one that only receives power when the vehicle is turned on and doesn't power anything fundamental to the vehicle's operation, such as a fuel pump. In most newer vehicles, this would be a headlight or a daytime running light circuit. Secure the license plate to the vehicle using provided screws. Now locate the underhood fuse box to locate the previously selected fuse circuit. Another diagram and fuse puller should be available under the covering or nearby. Now route wiring to the selected power source or toward the license plate. It's usually easier to work with gravity and feed wiring downward. Note, each license plate has a plastic disconnect for ease of installation. Be sure to avoid elevated heat sources during this process. Find a suitable grounding point and attach the black ground wire using the provided ring terminal. Lastly, remove the selected fuse, insert it into the lower fuse tap slot, insert the fuse tap, and connect it to the red power wire. Now crank it up and enjoy your new LED license plate.